it snow, let it snow, let it snow.
Safe to say the kid get older. Forever gang, I'm never switching over. Made a lane and niggas can't get over. I can't mess with rappers, they be bogus. Rather get a pack and keep it open. Big dripper stand up in the ocean. Everybody trapping, we get open. He ain't 4P yet, but he ain't got motion. Made a half a ticket out promotion. Shout out switching sweet and keep me rolling. But if we get the out, we gotta slow. Ride around with Drake, like we OVO. I got some rats and I want some. Still got them pass in the hood, call it give and go.
Cool. Alright, y'all, so this is the end result. Let me show y'all. I got half up, half down, push back with the poofy curly hair. Play with your mother, not me. Okay. I do my edges because my mom do my hair. She's a hairstylist and she don't like do my edges the way how I like to do them. So every single time, she basically just lets me do them. I have a leave out, as y'all can see. So what we're gonna do right here is add like a little braid so that way it can crinkle up to match the hair. But let me go. What the? Don't piss me off. I'm pretty sure I haven't talked to y'all in this video because this is my Vlogmas day 2. Vlogmas day 2 period. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe because I probably didn't say that in this video. But yeah, this is a preparation for me to hang out and stuff, and yeah. I need to get some cute clips for the little shirt piece, so I'm about to do that now. Okay, y'all, so in this part of the video I'm gonna be doing like my lash clusters, and I actually have never did these before, but I got a little pack from Shein and people be using the ones off Timo and stuff, and I don't plan on using these all the time because I don't want to mess up my natural lashes. But I'm like, let's give them a try, be a little, you know, pizzazz. So yeah, it came with it goes from 9 to 16, which is fine because I don't really like big lashes anyway. And it came with the bonding steel, fast remover, and tweezers. So yeah. Okay, so like I'm done one eye. As y'all can see, this is what it look like. So it's actually 3 11s, 2 12s, and 3 13s. So I have to put the seal on, but my camera died, so I had to finish the lash, and then yeah. So now I'm about to do the seal. Okay, y'all, hold on. I don't have that much time, but I am currently charging my batteries. But this is how my lashes turned out to look like. But yeah, I did my toes, my camera shut up, and I just did my lashes. My hair is done. Last thing is my press-ons. Because baddie on a budget. Hello? I think that's what I'm gonna call this, y'all. But it's Vlogmas day 2. So period. Make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Do all of that. And I'll see y'all in the next clip. Alright, y'all. I'm about to be trying to do my little press-ons. Cause baddie on a budget for real, not for fake. Like, forget the nail salon. We got Kiss at home. Nail salon. We got the nail salon at home. Hello?